Hello, YouTubers, everybody. Hi, this is David Tech with another informative video about capacitors. I'm gonna test it out, see if they can handle the voltage amount they have specified that they can. 120 UAF, 450 volt, for example. Let's get started. So please, by the way, subscribe to the video and hit the like button if you like what you see and you like to see things further in the future. So this one is a Saucecon brand, I guess, 120 UF, 450 volt. Let's see if they can handle it. Of course, please don't try this at home. This is not a game or anything. This is very serious stuff. Okay. Ready? That is cool. Wow, that's a lot of smoke. That's a lot of smoke. Obviously, that one was not able to handle it, I guess. Seemed kind of fun. But let's see this one. 42 volt, 4700 UF. Of course, this should not be able to handle it, and we'll see what happens when the voltage gets higher and the capacitor can't resist or capacitate it. Once again, please don't try this at home. Okay. Ready? Whoa. 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 Come on. Ooh, blew out my surge. That blew out my surge. Wow. See that down? So you handled it. I brought it right back to the surge, and the surge was like, nope, cannot handle it. Too many fucking voltage for me, I guess. Yeah, well, that one's a good one. What brand is that? Nishikon brand. Very good. Japanese. I guess you could say we're also testing the surge since cyber power. Back on, no problem. That's how it's supposed to be. Too much juice, it's supposed to turn off, not damage any devices, which of course this phone is connected to with the power. But next one, Samixon HP 220 UF 450 volts. You should be able to handle it, right? We'll see. Oh, I see smoke. Actually, no, I couldn't handle it. I forgot it was actually plugged in, so yeah, I went ahead and connected it without even thinking about it, and oh yeah, it's fucking the blue. Next one. Alright, next one. 400 volt, 120 UF, KMG brand. Let's check it out. So again, please do not try this at home. I'm using a broom to turn it on from the distance, just in case. You never know. Ready? Go. Ooh! Whoa! Yeah, that's a lot of smoke. That can't even handle it. Here we go. Wow. That's a lot of smoke. Here's the next one. 35 volt, 390 UAF. I think it says Raguyan, something like that. Alright. Here we go. Oh. Nice. That was a nice one. Nice one, just flew all over the place. Wow, gotta watch that one in slow motion. Alright, the last one. Let's see, 450 volt, 120 UF. Oh, UF, I'm sorry. Okay, which is a ferret or something? Ferro, something like that. Alright, I'm gonna show this one right now. Once again, this is for educational purposes only. Please do not try this at home. Okay? Here we go. Ready? We're about to do it. Nice. It blew his freaking head off. Oh, that smells nasty though. Oh, that's nasty smell. That's what the fruit try at home. Nasty smell. Yeah, I got the fans going here. As you can see, I know if it's top right there. It lasted for a while. The only one that did it what it's supposed to do, in my opinion, transfer electricity from one point to the other one, right? Was the freaking the Japanese one. There's actually right here. This one. The Nichicon. Or was it the Sasacon? Or the Nichicon? I don't remember. I remember when I was able to do it. I think it was the Nichicon. Alright? There you have it. Subscribe so you can see my other videos and have a good day.